This is it.
Oh yeah, what's up?
So we gotta get a ticket here. These don't work on the subway. These tickets are separate from the other ones. South Station Red Line. You see, I grew up with this stuff here, so when I go to look at Portland, I'm just like, what? Rinky-dink transit? Oh, there's that smell, man. It does have that odor, man. Can you get my, Alright, so we ended up buying a day pass because, you know, I don't want to, every time you get in and out of here, you gotta pay.
You might have saved,
yeah, so it's $11 for a day ticket, which is substantially more than Portland's $5. Okay, so it puts things in perspective on Portland. Portland's a better deal. Of course, you're going a lot further. So a round trip ticket on the train was $29, and then a day ticket, that's for two.
you want inbound.
Huh? Where? Yeah, down here. Down here, right here. Oh no, we got drop off. Oh, it's over there. See, this is a bus over here or something. It's really confusing. I haven't ridden the MBTA in quite a few years, actually. As a matter of fact, I can't even remember the last time I rode it. I haven't lived in Boston in over 30 years. Which way are we going? To Alewife, that's right. Look at that, red line's packed. See, goddamn, you know, it's just the volume of people on transit here versus Portland. It's just, can you get my